I'm not going to show you everything in Pixelmator again because Pixelmator is exactly the same as everything else. So I'm just going to, yeah, give you a very quick version to show you just how easy it is to do this in Pixelmator, just like it is in Photoshop. So you're going to open the PSD, just like in Photoshop. It's going to be in 2 layers. Layer 2 still has the scale bar, and layer 1 is the rest of the stuff. So you'll have to add the north arrow separately, which should be just as easy. Let's see if I'm correct, as it should be the other way. So if I should have saved it, I think. Did I save it? Did I save that north arrow? I might have just tossed it already, because I know I didn't need it. It's okay. Point is, you can just put the north arrow in there as a layer. But then in order to do the paint buckets for the image, it'll be the same as it was before. So you would just go to this layer and then zoom in, if I can figure out how to do that. View, zoom in. Yeah, so it's just plus. All right. So you would find the footprint that you want, and then find the paint bucket tool, which is right here. In this one, for the color fill, it even has the hex front and center. So let's just say in this one we're just doing this color, but again, you can paste it from whatever hex and say OK, and then hit the color fill, and then you would do the paint bucket. And the only difference is that in Pixelmator you have to kind of zoom out until it fills whatever it is you want to fill properly, and if you do it too much, you'll find out. Right, so that's how it finds the edge of things. And then when you want to find another color, again, I'm not going to do the full hex here, but the hex is right here. You would just do the same thing with that. You can always undo if you do it wrong. If it's not perfect, it's fine. But you do want to try to stay within the footprint as much as you can here. That's the important bit. And then when you're ready, you can zoom out and then add the legend. And just like in Photoshop, you would just go to Excel, find your legend, which I've already made, copy it, and then paste it. Oop. For some reason, by default, in this app, it comes in really much smaller, and so make sure that it looks good and that it's not it's not pixelated. But then there it is, and then all you need to do is export it as a single layer JPEG, and then you're good to go. So that's how you do this in Pixelmator.